Hey everybody, Hal Pennington here at Firelands Chevy of Vermilion. Once again, thanks for watching. Real quick, just off the truck and somehow miraculously available, but not for long. 2022 Chevy Suburban. If you or somebody you know has been looking for a Suburban or Tahoe, now is the time. Better sooner than later with the feds raising the rates and all the other crazy stuff going on. So Empire Beige Metallic, kind of a newish color. Really beautiful. It's an LT with a plus. I mean, it's got the panoramic sunroof, leather seats, second row buckets, third row split bench. The interior's leather. It's Gideon with dark atmosphere accents. HD surround vision, heated front seats and steering wheel, heated second row seats, power folding seats, front and rear sensors, HD surround vision. You could see in front of you, behind you, there's an aerial view like there's a drone over your head. You can even check your front and rear wheels through cameras via right here on the door mirrors, so you can see exactly how close you are to the curb. No more curb rash, ladies, gentlemen, both. Yeah, so if you're somebody you know's in the market, hit me up, 440-387-5249. Thanks for watching. God bless.